All right, my name is Rob here with Winnov at UBTech 2018. So right now we are demonstrating Command Center, the client and the server all in one here. So we've got a visual display of what we can capture in the classrooms. Here's our dashboard, video dashboard, so you can check into any classroom in real time. And from here you can also start and stop the recordings. We integrate with third-party schedulers such as Kaltura or iCal, so that would be Outlook or Google Calendar. So in case your institution uses those, you can use those to get back into the scheduling of the sessions. After all that's done, we've got an HTML5 player where we actually auto-indexed all the presentations, so you can search on keywords that have appeared on there. You can look at the thumbnails, so you can review everything. And this is what we're looking at right now is our Panasonic HE40. We were capturing that via IP, one of the newer things that we're doing, and still in beta. But for more information on any of this, please visit winnov.com. That's WINNOV.com, and we'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you.